To create a PDF report, tap Add New Report while in the Reports tab. From here, you can change the report name, client, status, or description. To add a client, tap the text field under Client and press Add New Client. Then, you can enter the details as needed and press Save. Once you're done editing, save the report. To start adding expenses to your report, tap the Add/Remove button and select the expense type. Then select the expenses you want added to the report. Alternatively, you can add expenses to a report through the Transactions tab. Tap the expense, press Add to Report, and tap the report you want the expenses added to. You can also do this with multiple expenses using bulk actions. To do that, tap the Edit button next to the search bar, or press and hold down on any expense. Tap the expenses you want added, and then tap Actions. Press Add to Report and select the report you want the expenses added to. Before sharing the report, you can tap the PDF icon for a preview. Please note that the preview will not include your receipt images. You can also directly edit expenses on the report by tapping on it. To share the report, tap the share icon for multiple sharing options. Email Report PDF allows you to send the report through email. Share link via will create a URL link to the report. Download PDF will directly download the PDF to your phone. When exported, all reports will have their receipt images attached. After sharing the report, you can tap the report again and change the status to sent.